Hi, this is Marshanda Daniels, and this is my senior capstone project, the implementation of Enter- enterprise infrastructure and operation environment. This project consists of stimulating a small business environment, their enterprise infrastructure, IT infrastructure. I do have 5 virtual machines. The first one is PF Sense 01. This is acts as my router for internal external traffic. I also have my VLANs configured here for departments and network segmentation. Server 01 house my server manager, and it has AD, DNS, DHCP, and it also have my shared folders. This is the users and computers. And as you can see, I have finance, HR, and IT folders. Each folder have a user or a few users. It have a group, security group for group policies. And I have computer listed. Here goes my group policy objects. These down here. My server also hosts my shared folders to each department. Here is one of my desktops or workstations for my simulated environment infrastructure. I do have the domain controller set up on the server 01, so I do have my own domain that users can log into the enterprise, and I'm just going to quickly sign in to show that this user cannot access um, other shared folders. As you see, here are my shared folders that is visible to the HR user. She can access the HR folder, and it does have just one document inside of it. It is going a little slow. I'm go ahead and head on back so you can see that it cannot access any other department folder. So let's say she wanted to accidentally click on IT group. Uh, and it's going to show that she did not have access. I also did a group policy to turn off control panel for anyone that's not IT. As you can see, it did decline that access. I do have VPN set up, and so I already have a few users profile already uh, imported to my personal laptop, and so I'm going to show that. Before I show that, I also have backup um, recovery methods. I do have a local, which is hosted on my host computer that has the VMware workstation, and I also have it saved to my Google Drive, and this is the cloud one. And I did only save server 01, which is AD and DNS and PF Sense. Those are my critical workstations in order to get the infrastructure or the enterprise back up and running. Uh, I could only save that amount. And I also have the network topology and the backup and recovery if need be. All right, so now I am on my personal laptop, and I already have OpenVPN installed, and it's already here down here. And so I'm just going to simulate signing into L Smith, who is listed as a HR employee in a Active Directory. So I'm just going to sign in real quickly, and we're just going to verify that for one, that this remote user can access the network from a different computer or a different device, and also that we can access the internal resources of the infrastructure. As you can see, it is connected. It have its own VLAN for remote users, and I'm just going to go into the network, into File Explorer, and as you can see, I have those shared folders listed under the network locations. And she is a HR employee, so we're going to click on HR. I already signed in prior, but normally you will have to sign in and ensure that AD will authenticate and PF Sense will authenticate that they have access to this folder. And then I'm just going to attempt to sign into a finance group, and it shows I do not have permission.